Hey guys, just doing another follow-up video on the Xbox One green screen issue. This is gamer tag. I don't know if you can see that. Remus Ape 768061. Sorry for the light in the background from my phone. Uh, just using my phone as a camera right now. Don't have a tripod like that like I said before. If anyone watches this. So far, with the green screen issue, I haven't had any issues today, and that's a good thing. And I will be uploading another video maybe in a few days just to verify. And like I said before, guys, um, if you have to reset your system, I'll just do that. Reset it, clear everything, do a total factory reset. And before you install anything, get an external hard drive, like I said, and format it, and set that external hard drive to default for any installs, so that it automatically saves everything on that. That way, if you have an issue with your Xbox, you can just unplug that, refresh or reset your system without losing any of your installs or updates for all the games. So, on that note, so far it's been great. I've already played. Well, right now I'm installing and uploading Battlefield. It's a pretty good game. Haven't really got into it too much, but just picked that up a few days ago. With all the rest of these games, I bought Battlefield and Infinite Warfare, Gears of War, Overwatch. Pretty good game. Love that game. Elder Scrolls, barely got into that. I'll be diving into that soon enough. And of course, like I said, Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. Great gameplay on Infinite Warfare. Zombies is pretty cool. Love the whole theme they have for that map, for the Space Land or whatever it's called. So, so all that's pretty good. So yeah, so far no issues with the hard drive or freezing up anything. So so far it's working for me, and I will be posting another video showing that I still have no issues with that green screen fix. It's not really a total fix, but it's a very good alternative, I think. And for $50, you can use the external hard drives. Like I said, I got it plugged into my Xbox right there, which I might be getting some type of splitter or something. That way I can charge my remote and still have that plugged in. Probably have to get a very high speed splitter connection or whatever, something like that. I'm not sure yet. Probably go to Micro Center to do that, because right now I'm just using my power bank to charge my remote and keep one charged as I'm using the other. So hope that helps you guys. Please comment and like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be talking about some other things too, and I just like to help people and talk about different things. So hope that helps you guys, and good luck. Take care. Bye.